So I'll also show you where to create, to modernize or to change a lot of things on your site. So let's say welcome, let's say we are going to try this out. Let's skip for now. Let's skip this one. Sorry. Okay, so this is now our website. As we are going to edit, we can just come and click here. When we double click, you can change it anyhow you want it. When you come to the home, you can change it to anything you want. Yes, you can change it to anything you want. So that is the home. This is the heading of the article. Responsive. We have comments, so you can just edit anything you want to do here. After that, you come and click on save. After that, you come here and click on save. So after clicking on save, I think your website is ready, and you can just go back. Let's go back to our site dashboard. Yes, so let's go back to our dashboard, because for now our dashboard is very important. Our dashboard is very, very important. As I was saying, we are finished with the appearance. That is where we change our theme and we can customize everything. Please, I'm just begging you, let's look at things here. When you open your website, there are some places that you don't need to go in, just because it is already, it is not you who program the code, so they have already done it for you. Let's say if you are able to host your server or your domain and you have a problem, your website host server can help you to restore it. But let's say here, unless you do another one, you can't retrieve it if you don't have any knowledge about it. Yeah, so after everything, you come here. This is the pages. We have the general pages, and looking at the general pages, we have performance, we have writing, discussions, reading, and all those things. So when you come to the general settings, you can change and put a picture here. This is the site icon. Let's say if you change an icon, I want to upload from my computer. Let's go to downloads, and then I'll take a picture here. This is tirck. Then I upload it. When I upload, then I will continue, then done, and you see that the picture has now changed. So settings have saved successfully. So let's go to our site and see. Let's go. Yeah, so when you publish an article, is to see that this site icon will appear on your site, the creator site. So let's save changes, and then we move on again. This is the site time zone, so this is not important. All these are not important. We can delete it here if we don't want our website again. We can just delete it permanently here. So let's come to the performance. So you see that as I'll say, the site icon, as we change it, see it here. You see that it has changed. That's the site icon I'm talking about. So it has just changed here, and then you see that when, let's say, if you remove it and go back there, you see that it will support with WordPress symbol. But now that you have uploaded your own logo, that's use your site now, your image now. So let's come back to this performance. So this one, we don't need to do anything here. Yeah, so they are available for only for premium people. So let's come to writing. This one we should put it standard so that it will just be a standard one for us. Write posts or pages in plain text, markdown, syntax, or let's not put anything. So this one displays how many pages do you want the website to display. You can put 10, you can put 5, so that when you publish more than 10, only 10 that you see from the first page. So you put this one per page. Now we want to display them in a way that it will look attractive for us. So let's testimony, we don't want any testimonial, so we off that one. Yes, so we don't want portfolio, so let's put that one off. This one we don't need it for now, because we are doing it for a training a blog.
Yeah, please, I want to find out something. When you are going to put it like the way you said hotnews.com, will you space it or you just put it attached and make sure the first letter is...
Okay, so let's come back here. We were talking about writing, so let's come to the discussion site. So with the discussion, will you like the authors that comments section? So those who are commenting must fill out a name and an email. So yes, that one is an automatic, so that when you're publishing out another article, it can give them an alert. So these are the settings. Users must be registered and logged into the comment. So you can just say yes, I want them to register. Automatically close comment on articles older than 14 days. So if comments are more than 14 days, you can just close them. No one can see them again. So let's say here email. So with the email, anyone can post a comment. A comment is held for a moderation. So before a comment appears, these are most of petty things that they are not important for us now, but I know time to time you will get to understand them very well. And reading, let's go to reading. That is from the settings. That is from the settings. So we'll go to the reading. When you buy a domain from a different host server, or you get a server, and you are able to you are importing it to WordPress, is this same interface you'll be getting? Yes. Let me see. Let me just open my website, and then you see I have a website, and I think I have to just bring it here and for you to see. So you can see, as I was saying, now if you are going to log in, you have to log in with your username and your password. So this is my username and then my password. I can't show it for now, so I log in, and these are the AdSense that I'm earning through. This is stored ads. This is so I've just bookmarked them and they are with me. So let's see something here. You see that my own here, they are not saying as you upgrade, they say as you visit the site. So if I go here and open it, I'm visiting my site. Then when I come here, so far today I have about 121 comments, and looking at this is the settings that we were in. Look at it. So as you can see, I've added some information, so that is why, because I'm using an ad, so that is why you are seeing these ad settings there. So, and this is the website. This is my dashboard, so you can see this is my dashboard. So I want to visit the site. This is my dashboard, and as you can see, all posts. So if I go to all posts, so this is my website. If I go to all posts, this is what I've posted today so far, and I have 27 views. Yeah, so as you can see, so these are all articles that I've published, and this is from the dashboard, the admin dashboard. But if you are a user and you are searching for the site, this is what you should get. You understand? But this one is the admin dashboard. So that is why there's a difference between an admin and a user.